How's it going, my We're going camping.
Lift up.
Today we're going camping. Let's go. Oh, let's pick up a pumpkin on the way.
I don't know where it's at, huh? Let me see if it fits mine. Come here.
I think Mom needs to show me where her...
Okay, well, I didn't get a pumpkin, but okay.
Give me a tablet, baby.
I need to get a fence, so
Maybe she took it with her.
we need to... Let's put campsite right here.
And her phone.
Does that mean it's charged? That means it's charged. Does that mean it's charged? Yeah. Okay, we gotta charge it a while, okay?
Okay, now... Okay. My controls changed. Let's make that wider. This kind of messed up. There we go. That looks better. Let's make it go back.
Whose empty cup is this? Is it Joseph's?
Yeah. Jackson, you want this?
Yeah.
Nelly, you want this?
Now let me make the floor.
You don't want that stuff?
You don't
Sit on the table, okay? Yeah, I have seen this one. I remember it now. Yeah, she's thinking of farming her daughter. It's not her farm, it's her boyfriend. And they're getting married. She don't know it.
Okay. Why can I not move? Okay. That was kind of weird. Oh my god, okay. Okay, so now, one right there. There we go. That is good. Let's put a back to it. Okay. There we go. Okay.
Lily, cover your mouth, honey.
So now we have the crafting table. Let's make a fireplace.
Hello, everybody.
She thinks they're gonna steal her stuff.
Minecraft.
She's scared of them.
Okay.
I watched you see him.
No, not that. Now let's put this in my inventory. Let's get out some water because we may need that. Okay. Alright, so anyway guys, that was the end of that video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to click the like button down below. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.